What's up? How you guys doing? You guys already know, we start the video off with a Monster. Shout out to Monster. If you guys haven't known, they came on board, sent me a bunch of cases, so thank you. Anyways, you guys know by the title, we got more carbon for the Subi, and let's look at it. So we got my tape, but this is the ARP trunk piece, and then I also got some eBay eyelids for the car. Pretty sick, should look dope. But pretty much, you guys already know, we got all the carbon going throughout the car. And yeah, this piece, when I put this on, obviously it looked cool and I like it, but something was missing, so that ARP piece is going to cover this whole area and make it carbon, so it should look super sick. But yeah, pretty relatively easy install. And then for the eyelid, pretty much we're gonna clean my headlights because they're very faded, as you guys can see. But the eyelids pretty much sit on top of here and go like that. So it should give it a nice look.
We're going to interrupt today's video with our sponsor. Our sponsor today is Link Drive Dash. As you guys can see, this is a car stereo wireless portable system that you can use for your older generation cars, or just in general any car that does not come with a display. This cool display allows you to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now let's see what we got inside our box. Alright, so inside this box there's actually a lot of things. There's your windshield mount. I believe this is another windshield mount. You get this mount, auxiliary cables, a dash mount, rear and backup camera, plug-in for the tablet itself, extension plug-in for multi-use purposes, magnetic mount with the magnet, and as well as the dash suction mount. And you also get one of these cables. And then you have the unit itself, in which I didn't know it also comes with a dash cam on the back, which is very cool. Now let's go ahead and throw this into our car. For this video demonstration, we're going to be using our Tundra that we use at the ranch. And the Tundra does come with this little display, but obviously it does no Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. It's just like an AM FM radio display with a CD changer. So this is going to be a very nice upgrade. We mounted up our mount to the windshield. This is how it's going to look. Now we're going to mount it to the car. Alright, so that's how it looks mounted up, plugged in. Now let's turn on the car and see how it looks. And we got our Link Drive Dash. Very nice. So it says welcome to boot, English, fine. Alright, so now that the feature is done, you guys can see we have our dash cam right there, the display, and my fingers. Very nice. Obviously we have the stick in the way, but you guys get the point. So it already comes with a pre-installed SD card as well, which is very nice. And then you can go ahead and go back. You have your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto, as well as files, settings, and a lot of stuff. So this is very nice for a car that doesn't have anything with it. You're able to use this and be able to get all your needs done. So thank you for Car Dash and Go for sending us this unit to test and sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in one, there's a link in my description with a coupon code to get yourself one. And thank you again for sponsoring today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Peace.
Alright, so as you guys saw, we had the Gorilla Tape. We pretty much went ahead, or 3M tape, whatever you want. I kind of went overboard, but I don't plan to take this off. So I got the corners, the bottom, and this is the contact patch, and then obviously this area. You're gonna want to peel them off. You're gonna need to use the supplied hardware. I have the little caps, so that's what that white thing is for, but the stock hardware is not long enough. But yeah, pretty much this is it. Super simple, super easy. Alright, so we peeled the tape off, and pretty much now you're gonna want to come like this. Looks like a good spot, just like that. And then next we're gonna take our plate and start passing the hardware through. That's so nice, everything fits nice, looks nice, light holes are good, very nice. Alright, so now we're going to start on the eyelids. First we're going to use this McGuire's product. We have a special guest appearance. But so yeah guys, when you put the little adhesive primer thing, put it on your finger and smudge it on, because look, this is what happened to my headlight. My headlight was already kind of toasted, but anyways, the eyelids came out pretty good. It's just stupid Trigga moves. I do mess up, guys, because everything is not perfect. this is how this side looks. I'm gonna try another cleaning product, the ones that come with like sandpaper, you know. I'm gonna try to get the haze out of this, but I don't know. Anyways, whatever. So yep, this is how the eyelids look, and then our trunk piece came out good. Looks good, huh? What do you think? You acted like it didn't even change.
I noticed right away because that looks new and everything else looks old.
How's it old? Always
Because
got this.
it's
always roasting. I got all the carbon.
I shouldn't have said anything. This is why I never come with
This
you.
is so funny. No, you go ahead. I know the bumper's messed up.
But at least you
Not
spent
shiny.
$500 on carbon
Jeez,
fibers.
look at these lights. All my lights are crusty. Oh my god. Yeah, I have spent a good amount of money on carbon. Carbon. This needs to be carbon. Alright, well that's the video for that. So if you guys want to get the carbon lids, eBay, and trunk piece ARP, and don't ruin your headlight like I did. Good thing in like a week it'll be back to yellow again and you won't even know.